In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change deal probability in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to navigate to the Deals section. So, go ahead and click on Deals in the left sidebar of your Pipedrive dashboard. This will take you to your pipeline view, where you can see all your deals laid out in stages. If you happen to manage multiple pipelines, don't forget to select the correct one from the drop-down menu at the top of the screen to ensure you're editing the right pipeline. Now that you're in the right section, it's time to open the pipeline editor. To do this, look at the top right corner of your Deals screen. You should see a little pen icon there. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will allow you to edit your current pipeline and make the changes you need. Once the pipeline editor is open, you'll see a percentage field for each stage of your pipeline. This is where the magic happens. You can enter a new probability percentage for each stage based on how likely you believe deals at that stage are to close. Typically, these percentages will increase from left to right as deals progress through the stages. For instance, the percentage for a deal in the initial stage might be lower than that of a deal in the closing stages. Take your time to adjust these percentages to reflect your business's realities accurately. After you've adjusted the percentages for each of your stages, it's time to wrap things up. Look for the option to save your changes and make sure you click that. Once you've saved your updates, you can exit the pipeline editor. And just like that, Pipedrive will immediately apply these percentages to your reports and weighted pipeline values. This means you can start seeing the impact of these changes in your analytics right away. Making these adjustments to deal probabilities is crucial because it helps you get a better understanding of your sales forecast and lets your team prioritize deals effectively based on their likelihood of closing. Plus, it gives you better insights into the overall health of your sales pipeline. So to recap, we've gone through how to navigate to the Deals section, open the pipeline editor, adjust your probability percentages for each stage, and finally save and exit the editor to see these changes reflected in your pipeline and reports. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any steps, feel free to drop a comment below. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to dive back into your Pipedrive account and get those percentages just right for your team. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. Thanks.